Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Java for Windows 10 or 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and in the search bar you are going to type Java, and then when you scroll down you will find this website, Oracle Java Downloads. You just click here, and then when you go a little bit down you will find here, for example, now until this moment there is JDK 26 and there is the 25 and 21. And here you will find the different operating systems. For us, we are going to download for Windows. You just click here, and then you will find three options. You are going to download the second one, the normal installer. You just click here, and the download will start. And once it's finished, you just click on the file and continue to install it. For me, it is already installed, and there is nothing to change in the default settings. You just keep clicking on next, and the application will be installed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.